Well, greetings everybody. Hope you're well on this Saturday afternoon. I'm just about to show a great new property to the market here in Clearwater, and thanks to my friend Lance Willard for getting me in here so quickly today. So let me give you a quick tour starting from the front door. Ready? Here we go. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath on the market for 1 day. The address is 2043 Dodge Street in Clearwater. Really very nice and clean. An open floor plan here and phenomenal backyard. It looks like it's got white quartz with a blue vein running through it, and the blue matching cabinets on the bottom here. A blue glass backsplash there. Stainless steel appliances. Yeah, very nice. Home's on the market for $479, and again, brand new to the market. Open living room, 4 places to sit here at the kitchen bar. And to the left of the living area here, you do have an area for a formal dining set if you want to. Through the kitchen, this barn door is the garage, more cabinets, and full set of washer and dryer. The garage is right through there. So to the right of the home are 2 bedrooms and a bath in between. First bedroom to the front of the home is light and bright. Carpeting looks like it's brand new. This is the bathroom in between the bedrooms. This is the 3rd bedroom, and I'd say it's fairly small. I'm guessing 10 by 10, but certainly could be an office. Back through the living room. And we'll go over to the master or primary. Large king-size bed. In the primary bath. Nice closets. Double vanity. And a very nice walk-in shower. Let me get you to the back of the house, which is really one of the nicest features. By the way, these are brand new hurricane sliders. I can tell because they're so heavy, and also they're so easy to open. So I knew they're new, and they go all the way into that last section there. But here's the backyard. It's beautiful. Screened in Lanai here. Nice large lot. An outdoor sitting area over there as well. And this home is really conveniently located. We're not too far from East Bay and 19 to give you an idea of where we are located. So, another great listing. Congratulations, Lance, for getting this week and pricing it, I think, very well. So I'm John Rurkowski. If I can help you, your family or friends transition to the next chapter, give me a call. I'll be glad to show you this property or anything else, and let me know how I can help you. Until we chat, take care of yourself and each other. Peace.